How to make public your phone number on Facebook profile. Hello everyone, today in this video I am going to show you step by step how to make public your phone number on Facebook profile. First of all, click on the top right of your Facebook profile and click on Settings here. When you click on Settings, here you have to click on Privacy Checkup. After clicking on Privacy Checkup, here you have to click on the first option. Who can see what you share? After that you have to click on Continue here. Now you will see Only Me option in the front of your phone number. Then click on it. And here you have to select your public friends whomever you want to show. You can also make it public, but I want to show it to my close friends, so I set it to close friends. To make it public you have to click on it and from here select Public. In this way you can make the phone number of your Facebook profile public, which everyone can see. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.